Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, Royale and Royal. So, Royal. So, Royale, a kind of dessert. Let's have a look. So, dessert maybe. Yes, so, a custard dessert used to garnish soups. No, not quite. Okay. Wait, it's custard. Let's have a look. Is this custard? Yeah, okay, kind of, but not quite. Like a sauce, even custard. A custard dessert used to garnish soups. So these royals are tasty. And Royale, these royales are tasty. Can you make a royale? Yeah. So I don't think that royales are too common here. I don't think I have eaten one before. Maybe. I'm not sure. But royal, being related or being a king or queen or related to. So let's have a look. Royal. Here we are, exactly, royal. Yes. Yeah, this one. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Yeah, so that is the royal family. Only royalty, people who are royal, can enter here. Yes. This is the royal kitchen. Those are the royal cars. I think that royal decree was invented just now. Royal decree. Yeah. There are different members of royalty around the world. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. Yeah. So royal, royale, and royal. Very good. So, can you use them in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.